Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Karen. Karen is one of the prime codes in this country and it houses the most expensive and the most extravagant, if not the best, in East Africa. Other prime locations that may compete with Karen include Ruda, Roslyn, and Kitisuru. Today we are in this estate that contains 5 mega mansions, each with a print area of 488 square meters. Each home is constructed on a half-acre plot of land and the price is 130 million. Each home comes with a 4-car parking that is located at the end of the mansion, and because this one is a corner plot, you still have this part of the driveway which is enough for your other 17 cars. Let me take you inside. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this massive mahogany door, and if that is not enough, you have this chandelier that runs from the upper floor of this home, almost touching your head. This is not an issue unless you are more than 7 feet long, of which my crush thinks I am. On my right hand side, you have the study of this home, and on my left hand side, you have the guest bedroom. This staircase will take you to the formal living room, and on my right hand side, you have the kitchen and the dining area of this home. On my left hand side, you have the entertainment room. This living room comes with a traditional chimney, but it can be gas powered. The living room opens to the garden that is on the rear part of this mega mansion through this massive access. And before I show you the kitchen and the dining area, let's see the garden. On the rear part of this mansion, the home comes with a garden, a kids play area, a swimming pool, and a mini fountain. From there, you can see that the home is very beautiful, and this balcony opens from the entertainment area. This other balcony opens from the dining area. Let's use that access to see the dining area first. The dining area is big enough for all your friends and your family, and it's sizable to fit a table set of 10 people. Before I take you to the kitchen, have a look at this light fixture. The kitchen of this home can be accessed through 2 doors, this one in the dining area, and we have another door in the living room. From the dining area, you are welcomed by this massive island that would double as a breakfast table if you add 2 chairs here. On my right hand side, this kitchen comes with an oven and a microwave, and this space is for your refrigerator. On the opposite side, this kitchen comes with a 4-burner gas cooker, and next to it you have an induction cooktop. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinet, and next to it you have your sink area. The sink area comes with a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet which acts as a pot filler. The sink area comes with a massive storage, all the necessary features, but one disappointing thing is that we are missing a dishwasher. And I know what the developer was thinking. If you can pay over 100 million Kenya shillings, you can afford new utensils every day for the rest of your life, right? On the other side of the kitchen, you have this door that leads you to the laundry area and the employee quarters. I'm not going to show you that because the gardener is resting and I don't want to disturb him. Behind me, you have an extra storage, and next to me, you have the pantry of this home. The pantry comes with several shelves. It's of a normal size, and I think it's enough for all your dry foods. From here, I'll take you to the study or the office. The office is here. If this room was to be used as an office, the room is more than adequate. But if this room was to be used as a study, it won't be enough for your kids and your neighbors' kids to do their assignments or discussion here. Let's go and see the guest bedroom. At the entrance of the guest bedroom, you have the common washroom. And the common washroom is of a standard size. It comes with all the necessary features and a vanity setup. Let's see the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is more than you require for all your guests, and it comes with these 2 big windows that will give your guests maximum natural light and very good views. On the other side of the bedroom, you have the closets or the wardrobes of this room, and next to it, you have the bathroom. The closets are sizable enough for your guests, and this bathroom is more than you require. The bathroom comes with a vanity setup, a water closet, and a shower cubicle behind me. Let's see the entertainment area. The entertainment area is here. The entertainment room acts as the focal point of this home, and it comes with all these sockets for all your gadgets and your electronics. This entertainment room comes with a very beautiful bright fixture, and on the other side, the entertainment room opens to the fountain and the swimming pool. The views from here are very relaxing. Let me take you to the upper level of this home. To access the upper level, you take these stairs. The upper level comes with two wings. On this side, you have the first and the second bedroom, and on the other side, you have the third and the primary bedroom. At the center, you have a family room that separates the two wings, and on the other side, the family room opens to this balcony that gives you very good views. Next to me, this family room comes with a kitchenette that makes it very easy for you to make a cup of coffee at the middle of the night if you don't feel like going to the kitchen downstairs. From here, I'll show you the first bedroom. The first bedroom is sufficient for your small boys or your small girls, and it opens to this massive balcony that gives you very cool breezes. As you can see, the views are interesting. This bedroom comes with its closet here and its bathroom next to it. This bathroom applies the same concept that we found in the other bathrooms, and from here I'll take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom comes with some steps, and that gives it a reason to be used for the bigger children. This bedroom opens to this massive balcony that is on the rear side of this mansion. The balcony can be used as a chill spot. You just need to add some seats or a hammock. This bedroom comes with its closet and a bathroom next to it. These two adopt the same concept that we found in the first bedroom. Let's see the third bedroom. As I said, the third bedroom and the primary bedroom are on this other wing. The third bedroom is slightly bigger than the first and the second bedroom, and it comes with its closet here and its bathroom next to me. These two adopt the layout that we found in the first bedroom. This glass door opens to a balcony that goes all around this bedroom, and if you check very well on this side, you'll see the end of the balcony. Let me show you the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with these steps. If you are more than 60 and retired, I wouldn't recommend. Click the link here for an alternative. But if you are young, energetic, and you have made a lot of money in your youth, this is the home to be. Don't get cheated. This bedroom comes with a walk-in closet and a fairly big bathroom. Let's see the walk-in closet. The closet is sufficient for you and your partner, and it comes with these spaces for your shoes. Let's see the bathroom. The primary bedroom comes with a bathtub, a double vanity setup, and a very big mirror. On this other side, you have your shower cubicle and a water closet. That's all for this bathroom. The primary bedroom opens to this massive balcony that gives you very good views to the swimming pool and the rest of the estate. From here, you can't miss the morning sunrise or the evening sunset. We have come to the end of the video, and I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and by that we'll be able to access similar or better properties. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.